Looking good, mostly sunny skies. It's hot. Another day of record-breaking heat. No record in Palm Beach. Close. All-time record high was 95. We hit 94, but Miami hit 96. Vero Beach, you tied your record high of 94. And how about this one? This one just blows my mind. Marathon hit 95 degrees earlier this afternoon. Yes, that's a brand new record high. Radar in Palm Beach County, it's all done. Nothing of any significance. The showers all falling apart. Again, everything changes tomorrow. Big soakers in the forecast for tomorrow. And here's that strong storm now near Okeechobee. So let's focus on that. You can see it's producing quite a bit of heavy rain, wind gusts maybe to 40 miles per hour, and maybe some hail as well. Here's a closer look at it, especially the purple here. We take a closer look at it with our impact tracker. You can see the bright color here. This may be half-inch hail just east of Basswood Estates. And then when we click on what we call our hail tracker going past the last hour, you can see, yeah, maybe some little hail, little pea-sized hail across that part of Okeechobee County. Again, watching the Weather Service to see if they upgrade that in any way. But at the moment, it is just a thunderstorm that should be done by 6:30 tonight. So some storms in Florida, but look to our west. That's our weather for the next couple of days. Again, that window that I talked about earlier in the broadcast between 3 p.m. and 8 p.m. starting tomorrow, continuing Friday and through the weekend. Here's a preview of coming attractions. Tomorrow morning, nice and quiet, couple of thunderstorms, no big deal. But as we head toward 3 o'clock, boom, the heavy rain. Look at all this stuff moving across South Florida. Just the beginning. More on Friday, more this weekend. It's just what we need, some good soaking rain. Here's Hurricane Earl, forecast to become a big bad hurricane, up to a Category 4 perhaps in the coming days. Thankfully, it's no threat to anyone in the open waters of the Atlantic. Ditto Danielle, no concern in the open waters of the Atlantic. No concern, no threat to anyone as it kind of meanders around for the next 5 days. And real quick, two other systems worth talking about. This one, 70% chance could become a tropical depression maybe by Friday, but then it's gone this weekend. This system has a 30% chance of formation. Boating looking good, but more importantly, the rain is back again tomorrow afternoon through early evening, 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. That trend continues Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Next week, more heat, less rain. And that is your weather.